Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to the online session. Today we will do the exercise of the science of silk, the lesson that we talk about in the last class. Today we will do exercises. In exercises we have short question and words meaning. So the exercise we will solve in exercise booklet. So please open page number 73 and then 74. First of all, we would start from short questions, which is on page 73, and your first short question is question number 4. Before short question there are long questions, so that's why the number of short questions start from question 4. And the question is, what was the most important invention in production of silk? I repeat again, what was the most important invention in production of silk? The answer is the French reeling machine was the most important invention in the production of silk. The French reeling machine was the most important invention in the production of silk. Question number 5. What was the purpose of Jacquard loom? This is a machine. Answer. Jacquard loom enables silk weavers to create complex designs quickly. So what is Jacquard loom? Jacquard loom enabled, which made us able, the silk weavers to make complex design, the difficult designs quickly. Here is the picture of Jacquard or Jacquard loom, or you can say French reeling machine. That is the picture. And in your lesson, in your reading and writing textbook, you would also find a picture similar. So that is the Jacquard loom or the French reeling machine, which was a revolution in the production of silk. I also included a picture of Bombyx, the moth fly, the silk fly. So this is silk, and this is the name of that fly is Bombyx Mori. Bombyx Mori is a domesticated fly which the people domesticate and they use for silk production. Question number 6. Why people prefer Bombyx Mori domesticated silk moth over wild silk? Why people prefer this domesticated silk moth? This fly and this moth that the people produce or domesticate at home. So at a result they produce those silk, so the people prefer those Bombyx Mori silk over the wild silk, the silk that is produced and the people get from forest or natural silk, wild silk. The answer, because the silk of Bombyx Mori is strong and breaks less often than wild silk. So it means that the silk of Bombyx Mori is stronger than the wild silk, the natural silk that the people get from forest or from nature. Question number 7. Next question. Why the moth of Bombyx Mori relies solely on humans for nutrients? So the moth of Bombyx Mori, this fly, this one, why they solely depend on humans for nutrients. Nutrient means the food. Answer, because Bombyx Mori is a mutated species of moth that is unable to fly. For example, it entirely relies solely on humans for nutrients. Now, mutated species mean change in the genes. Mutated, change in the genes. So these kind of moths being brought as a result of mutation in their genes, change in their genes. So they are unable to fly. They cannot fly. When they can't fly, so obviously they completely depend upon humans to give them food, unlike the natural silkworms. Now moving to vocabulary words, write the meanings of the following words. The first one is industrial. Industrial mean business or manufacturing. Manufacturing mean producing. Word number 2, inefficient means ineffective, useless. Ineffective is the opposite of effective, which is useful. So ineffective or inefficient, it means useless, not useful. Manipulation is the third word, which means exploitation, treatment, to use something. Word number 4, modification. Modification means change, adjustment. To bring change and adjustment, to adjust something. Now number 5, mutated, as we talk about during the short question and answer explanation, that mutated means change in the genes. Word number 6, nutrients. Nutrient mean any substance which plants or animals need in order to live and grow. So nutrient is actually food. So substance is something which animals, plants need. Why they do need? Because to live and grow. So those are called nutrients. It means food. Number 7 word, sparse. Sparse means small in numbers or amount. Sparse means small in numbers or amount. And the last word number 8, surplus means extra or additional, something extra. Homework, revise these exercises and then make your own sentences by using these words. Thank you very much and have a nice day.